Ow! I am back in the car with my 4 new piercings. As you can see, oh my god! Ala ka, first time ko talaga to. First time at ayoko na ng sunod pa. Okay na yan. But I'm pretty happy about it. It's cute. Anyways, uwi na ako. Baka mapagastos pa ulit ako. Diyos ko, okay na to. Kakauwi ko lang and my piercings are still piercings. Charot! Tapos, yeah, I went to Asian store to buy stuff. Gusto ko lang mamili kasi nga, I'm so bored. Mag-isa ako sa bahay. Yung asawa ko nasa work. So, that's why, napag-isipan ko lang na pumunta ng Asian store at mag-ikot-ikot. Ang ending, nakabayad ako ng $80+ Kaya nag-shopping ako. Bumili ako ng Argentina kasi, charot. Tapos, favorite ko to, kapag wala ka ng ulam. Pag wala kang maisip na ulam, just have some steamed rice, tapos Hokkaido na, makiret. Ayarm. Yung last time kasi na binili ko yung malaki, tapos hindi ko naubos yung malaki, kaya sabi ko, bili ako ng 2 maliit. Tapos bumili ako ng sweet style, Filipino spaghetti sauce. Yeah. Hinugasan ko siya kasi parang nag-leak yung suka na binili ko. Na, yung pinakurat na suka, this one, para siyang nag-leak, kaya yung mga kasama niya, mga kasama sa isang plastic, inano ko siya. Ni-wash. Bumili ako ng Mang Tomas, pang future reference lang. Future reference! Pang ano lang to, hindi ko pa alam kung ano gagamitin ko dito. For sure, mga pork chop, mga ganun. Tapos ito ba, may mga binili pa ako. Ay! Tara! I have more! Bumili ako ng fudgy bar, yung mix. Tsaka yung favorite ko lang. Ito. Baka may pagbibigyan kasi ako na may birthday din. Tomorrow? I think. And then, bumili din ako ng cork opener, wine opener. Kasi, hindi ko mabuksan yung wine na binigay sa jusawa ko. I can't open it kasi wala kaming cork opener. Yeah. Basta yun, wine opener. And then, bumili din ako ng Moby. Isa sa mga favorite ko na snacks. Yung caramel tsaka yung, caramel puff tsaka yung, ito. Charan, crunchy chocolate. Ito mga favorite ko. Kasi ang gaan kasi nilang kainin. Sarap. Bumili ako ng sponge. Hindi ko alam, dinampot ko lang talaga siya. Oh my gosh, Jen. Anong ginawa mo sa buhay mo ngayong araw? Tapos, bumili din ako ng sweet and sour sauce. Just in case, may isipan kong maglumpia today or tomorrow. We'll see. Ano pa to? Ay! May tinapay pa ulit. Hindi ko na alam kung anong pinagbibili ko. Yeah. Bumili ko ng snack. Baka baon ko to sa work. I don't know. Kasi magkakamping kami tomorrow sabi ng asawa ko. For my birthday. That's how we're gonna celebrate my birthday. And this is ampaw. For my birthday again. Tapos, yung last but not the least is yung mochi. Banana flavor. Because I love it. So, basically, hindi ako kumain ngayong araw ng kahit ano. Anong oras na ba? It's 4:45 p.m. Wala akong breakfast, walang lunch. Ito lang pinagkakakain ko. Very unhealthy ako for today's video. Pero carbs pa rin naman siya. So, it can make me live. Yeah. Mochi. May mochi ako na naging favorite. Palaman niya ice cream. Nabili namin siya sa Walmart. I might go there later. We'll see again. Yan mga binili ko sa Asian store. Except for dito. Yan.
treat.
It's
Yeah.
better there.
So birthday.
Thanks.
How's your night going? Yeah.
This is crab cake, and it's so good. Which half is better? Isn't this so good? His looks healthier than mine.
Thank God I get the carrots. It comes with canola beans, which are alright.
What is?
Canola beans?
What is that?
It's a different type of bean, like a pinto bean. It's not that exciting. So, I'm happy I was like, wait a minute, what else do you have? Honey roasted carrots. So good.
Honey roasted. It actually tasted good.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
This
you.
is so big.
Happy birthday, Sawako. Happy birthday.
Tell me.
Wow, there's like a little cinnamon in the. That's like a whole fucking cake. That's not a slice of cheesecake. That's like a whole ass cheesecake.
I got it for free, by the way, because it's my birthday.
Well, the good news is we have an empty take-home container.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, I thought I'm gonna leave this.
Yeah.
Looks like I'm gonna have to take this out actually. Well, at least I don't have to get a cheesecake from John Brooks. I don't like it.
Don't do that again. Certain things John Brooks just doesn't have.
What was that?
Yeah, baby. Chivo.
I do like this.
That's a really good cheesecake. People will kind of leave notes about what their experience was.
You're caught. Oh my god, the place is empty. We should go. We should go. The guy's paying. The guy's paying. The husband's paying.